Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video we'll study about the development of behavior, a focus on environment, and we'll study when to become a territorial male in cichlid fish. So let's start. So today we'll study the effect of environment on behavior by taking the example of a fish which is known as cichlid fish. Now this fish is found in Lake Tanganyika, and this lake is found in Africa. Now this fish is scientifically known as Haplochromis buttoni. Now the males of this fish is of two varieties. So as you can see, both the varieties of fish, appearance wise, they are very different from each other, where one group of males are brilliantly colored with black, yellow, blue, and red color, whereas the other group of males are of pale brown colored. Now, this brilliantly colored males, they are engaged in territorial display. What do you mean by territorial display? That means they carve their own territory and they will remain inside this territory. Nobody else is allowed to enter inside this territory. So that means it's like a home for them. Whereas the pale brown colored males, they are inactive and not territorial. Now this territorial male, why they make territories? As I say, that they make a home and won't allow anybody else to enter. That means they make territories to repel rival males and to attract females inside their nest. Whereas these pale browns, they hung around these territories, and whenever these colorful males they will attack them, they will flee from that site. So that means the colored males, they form a territory, and around this territory, this pale colored males, they hung around. And whenever these colored males, because they don't allow to enter these pale colored males, so whenever these male will attack them, they will flee away from that position. So hence, this pale brown colored males, they are known as satellites. Why? Because they revolve around their territory. Now, these differences in their behavior and appearance you can see one is colorful, another one is pale brown. And behavior wise, one is aggressive because they have the repelling nature and attraction towards female, whereas these are non-territorial, therefore non-aggressive. Now, these differences are due to their internal differences in brain, testes, and hormones. Now, how it works, let's understand. For the colorful males, their brain contain one neurons which is known as GnRH. This is present inside hypothalamus, and this GnRH is 6 to 8 times larger in colorful males compared to the pale colored males. Now, because of this neuron releases one particular hormone which helps to stimulate the testes. Testes will then release the male sex hormone. This male sex hormone in turn will stimulate the brain to promote the aggressive behavior by modulating activities of certain cells in that organ. So inside the brain, GnRH is present. From GnRH, one particular hormone is releasing. This hormone will stimulate the testes. Testes will release the male sex hormone. This hormone will again come to brain to stimulate particular cells so that they can promote the aggressive behavior. Now, the scientist Russell Fernald and his colleagues, they are sure that males are not locked into one behavioral role. That means the colored males will not remain colored always and having that aggressive behavior. Similarly, the pale brown males will not remain plain brown throughout their life and remain non-territorial. So this is not the case. So what he studied and found is, suppose in this colored males, one will be the king or the owner of this territory. Now, whenever there will be a fight with intruder means a pale brown fish. Whenever it will come and attack this colored group, and in this fighting, if suppose this owner is expelled out from the territory, what will happen? Because now owner is expelled out from the territory, now it is no longer the part of this colored group. Now this fish has to enter the pale brown group because now this fish is no longer the part of this territory. The fish has been expelled out. So what the fish will do? This fish will change its color to pale brown and will get into this group. During this, why this happens? Because this neuron GnRH, it shrinks dramatically. As soon as any fish or the owner fish is expelled from their territory, the GnRH inside their brain will shrink dramatically and they will change the color from colorful to pale brown and they will enter this pale brown group. The reverse is true for the pale brown group also. Whenever there is an opportunity that they can enter inside the group, maybe by fighting with the territory, they have expelled the owner. So now they have the chance to enter inside the group. What it will do? It will change its color from pale brown to colorful. And during this change, again, there will be a dramatic increase in GnRH. And finally, it will enter inside the territory. So there occur a continuous changing of this behavior of colored to pale, pale to colored, and also a territorial male to a non-territorial male and a non-territorial male to a territorial male. Change in behavior occurs according to the change in environmental situation. When they are inside the territory or when they have to enter inside the territory, they will become colorful. When they are outside the territory, they become plain brown. So that's all for this video. Now one question from my end for you all, that is, develop some proximate and ultimate questions with respect to this behavior. Do let me know in the comment section. If you found the video informative, please do like, share and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for the next video notification. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.